once again, my name is Edwin Piri, and today I'm going to be teaching you the best way to install fonts on Windows 10. So the first thing you want to do on your desktop is to go to your browser, then go to Google Fonts. We are also going to use Google Fonts here. We can use the font, or you can use FontSpace, but today we're still going to use Google Fonts so as not to confuse you. So when you go to Google Fonts, the first thing you're going to see is all the fonts that are there, and so we are going to go to search Noto Sans. Noto Sans, and Noto Sans must be here. So without wasting time, we're going to go to download family, and we should be able to download it within a split second. Now that it is done downloading, just go to the download and open it in folder, or show in folder. Then your phone is going to come here. We're just going to extract it to the same folder, Noto Sans. When you go there, you can access your fonts from there. Now what we're going to do is double click on this window, then bring it to the side, and then we're just going to open another folder. Then we're going to go to local disk C, or however you named it, but where the Windows always lies is called local disk C. So in here we're going to search for fonts, search for it, then open it. So here is where all your fonts are. So what we're going to do is go to our downloaded Noto Sans folder, which we just extracted, and highlight all the fonts by highlighting. Just click on one and hold shift and click on the last one, and drag and drop them in that folder, and they will install for you. And if in case they were already installed, they will trigger a warning or an alert which asks you whether to replace them or not. So we're not going to replace them at all, and that is how you install fonts on Windows. As simple as that. So that is how you install fonts on Windows, as easy as that. Thank you for watching, and like always, subscribe, share, and like my videos so that this video can also be a solution to a friend who might be stuck. Thank you.